Years now, the earth a cry. Too much injustice, too much sufferation. Them build system pan greed and lie, while the innocent man still cry. Rich get richer, poor get paid. Cycle repeat like endless chain. Leaders talk, but them not hear. Truth get lost in a atmosphere, but the roots still strong underground. Truth arise, hear the sound. Change the world order, justice for all, not just the border. Change the world order, peace for the people, sons and daughters. No more war, no more divide. Humanity must stand unified. Different color, same one soul. One creation, one control. From the ghetto to the throne, every man deserve a home. Equal rights, no more disguise.